Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the most famous vegetables in the world. Carrot. Bright orange, crunchy, fresh. Many people know carrots are connected with eye health. But carrots offer much more than that. Let's begin with vitamin A. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. This nutrient supports vision, especially during low-light conditions. Another important benefit is antioxidants. Carrots contain powerful plant compounds. These help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports long-term health. Then comes your skin. Carrots contain nutrients that support healthier appearance. Your skin may look fresher over time. Another important area is digestion. Carrots contain fiber. Fiber supports gut health. Your digestive system works more smoothly. Then comes your heart. Carrots contain nutrients that support circulation. This helps your cardiovascular system function more efficiently. Now let's talk about immunity. Vitamin A supports your body's natural defense system. Your body responds better to stress. Another important point is calories. Carrots are naturally low in calories. This makes them useful in balanced nutrition. Then comes energy. Carrots provide natural carbohydrates. Your body receives steady fuel, without heavy feeling. Another important benefit is hydration. Fresh carrots contain water. This supports body balance. But here is the truth. Carrots are healthy, yet balance still matters. Too much juice with added sugar is not ideal. Fresh whole carrots are usually the better option. Now here is the key idea. Simple, colorful vegetables can support your body in powerful ways. You do not always need expensive products. Nature already provides many useful foods. Because real health is built from small, smart habits, repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.